What's going on? So I'm heading to the Netherlands for a collection I did. I won a contest with Kuhn, and so the winnings was to go to the Netherlands to do a training. So I'm super excited. I don't do a lot of vlogs lately because it is a lot of work to shoot and edit, but this is a once in a lifetime thing. So now why not take you guys on this journey with me and vlog it? Hope you guys enjoy. So I just got into the plane. It looks like they have some pillows and blankets. I forgot that they did that. It's been a while since I've flown internationally, but I mean, it's a long flight, so it makes sense. It's crazy though, at the check-in, they didn't ask for a ticket, they just scanned your face. That's definitely new. And there's no one next to me. It's about to be a good flight.
Make sure your carry-on luggage is stowed before taxi, takeoff and landing. Small electronic devices may be used at all times. When set to airplane mode and secured in your hand or pocket. After you have selected airplane mode,
Just got to the hotel. This is so cool being here. Got a cute little view. Super cool. They gave me a bag. I kind of already dug in it. Has a bunch of goodies. It's like welcome and then the planning. But I have to be in the lobby in like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna head down there. Well, first get freshened up and then head down there. So just got back to the hotel, man. It had a really cool place called Madonna, with all the other winners, which was really cool because everyone else is from other countries. There was Lithuania, Taiwan, and Brazil, and there was translators at the table so we could all like talk to each other. It was really cool to be able to talk to people that are in other countries that do the same thing that I do, right? So super cool experience. I'm excited for the rest of the trip, but I'm gonna get some sleep and I'll see y'all in the morning. What's up, y'all? So I'm headed downstairs to the lobby, get some breakfast. Taxi's gonna pick me up and we gonna see what happens.
Keep going, pretty boy.
This is the entire market.
We just checked out the lab as well as like the factory area. It was pretty cool. We got to make our own like serum, which was pretty cool. We picked out the fragrances and if we wanted like silicone or oil, so it was pretty cool. But we're gonna take a break and eat some lunch real quick.
Keep going, pretty boy.
Back at my hotel. Today has been such an amazing day. Seeing all the behind the scenes, like the tour of the headquarters, seeing how things work, meeting new people. Just such a cool experience. Getting to go to the lab and make our own product, which was really cool. It was really cool to just like see how things get made, you know, and how things are done, whether it's packaging or shipping. All those type of things, you know. I didn't realize how big of a company, you know, that they are. They're a huge company, and they I could be wrong, but I believe they said they distribute in 85 different countries, which is nuts. That's a lot of countries. So it's just been really cool just learning all this stuff, seeing all this stuff, meeting all these people. just a fun experience, man. Definitely once in a lifetime type thing. But I'm gonna get some rest, guys, because I'll wake up early tomorrow. But I will see you all in the morning. Good morning, good morning. Today is the training at the headquarters. We're gonna get into it. I'm speechless, man. Like, this has been such an amazing experience. Like, to be able to win a contest and get a trip to Amsterdam to see the headquarters, meet the owners, meet all the staff, meet other winners from countries all over the globe, to go to a training, to make your own product in their laboratory. Like, just amazing. I've entered a lot of contests and none of them have ever had a prize like that. If you have not entered this contest before, I definitely encourage you guys to enter, because I mean, what an experience. Yeah, man. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. What do you guys think? I definitely enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you guys enter for next year. Thanks for watching. Peace. See y'all next time.